progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
A day after a mosque was vandalized during a Vishwa Hindu Parishad rally in Panisagar subdivision of North Tripura district, security was beefed up and police protection was provided to all mosques in the district. Prohibitory orders under Section 144 CRPC was promulgated in Panisagar and neighbouring Dharmanagar subdivisions following the incident at Chamtila area in North Tripura district. Yadav said, all the mosques across the state are under security cover now. We are keeping a vigil on the situation. A mosque was vandalized and 2 shops were set ablaze at Chamtila on Tuesday evening during a VHP rally taken out to protest against recent violence against Hindus in neighbouring Bangladesh. 3 houses and a few shops reportedly owned by members of the minority community were also ransacked in nearby Roa Bazaar. North Tripura Superintendent of Police Bhanupada Chakrabarti had said. Chakrabarti said, now the situation in North Tripura district is peaceful. We have beefed up security and police protection for all mosques in the district. Prohibitory orders under Section 144 CRPC was promulgated at Panisagar and Dharmanagar subdivisions for an indefinite period. Tripura State Jamia Ulama, a branch of All India organization Jamia Ulama-e-Hind that seeks to protect Islamic beliefs, identity, heritage and places of worship, confirmed that police protection has been given to all mosques of North Tripura.